Hello beautiful, my name is Joany and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be working the arms but with a prop, and if you don't have that prop, that's fine. I remember one time I was teaching a workshop and I brought enough veil for all of the students except for me. So the veils were in a garbage bag, and what I did, I took the garbage bag and just cut it up, which I have one right here. So this is a very cheap way of having a veil. And again, we're doing this to work up our arms, but eventually when you have more interest in belly dancing world, you could actually just go to a fabric store and make your own veil, or there's a lot of beautiful silk veil that you could buy online. So you just Google and you'll find a place. I mostly buy, well, I had mine made for my mom. And also when I go to workshops or when I went to Egypt, I just bought some beautiful silk veil at the stores. So anyways, you could buy online, there's many, but this will do. You just cut the garbage bag in half and it'll do the trick. So we'll be doing beautiful arm movement, circle around the body, maybe in front. So if you don't have a veil, cut a garbage bag and let's belly dance with a veil. So I just took my chiffon veil, and all you do is just bring it between your index finger and the middle finger and just kind of wrap it up. Wrap your index finger. Okay? And that's how I hold my veil. I could also hold it with my thumb. So let's start. So try to keep the veil behind you. Okay, palms kind of facing down and arms a bit more behind. So we're going to just bring it forward, just kind of stretch back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. So now we're going to go back and hold it up, back, up and down. Keep your arms kind of behind you, so try not to touch your body. Now keep the right arm up behind you and then bring your left arm forward and back. Just sweep forward and open. Palms down, palms up. Switch. So beautiful, I love it. I feel so pretty as the arms are getting stronger and building endurance. Also, it helps to open up your heart chakra. The arms is an extension of your beautiful heart. And now switch. We'll do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 now. Open, front, open, switch. And now alternate. Down and open, palms down and open. One arm behind and one sweep in the front. Last one. Good. So try to again pretend that there's a puppeteer pulling your chest up. So this is kind of always lifted. All right, so let's go forward, open back. Forward, open back. Now up, down, up, down. Hold it up. And now bring your right arm forward and back. Left, forward, back. And now hold it here. We're going to bring it out. And we're going to start doing turns. So just turn, make sure the arms are behind and turn back. And switch left. Okay. Sorry, that was right. Now let's do that again. Go to your left once, and now to your right once. Bring it forward, scoop up, forward, and back. Make sure you're going back. Palms goes up when you go back, then palms down. Back, forward. And up and over and down. Up and over and down. You should feel this in your arms now. Woo! Hold it up. Bring your right arm forward, then left, one arm behind. And turn. Switch the other way. And then forward, back, up, down, up, down. Keep your right arm up, bring your left arm forward, switch, and turn to the right. Turn to the left. Woo, you should feel this in the arm. Just one more time. Forward, back, up, down. Keep your right arm and then sweep. 2, 3, 4. Turn to the right, left, and down. Let's just do hand little flick. So wrist flick up and flick and flick. So the wrist leads and then just flick the hand up. 4, 3, 2. Okay, we can do it one more time. And you go forward, back, up, down, right arm up, sweep forward with the left, switch. And turn. Right hand flick, 1. Bring it high, 2, 3, 4. Last set, woo! Forward and back. And up. And up. Right arm up, sweep. Turn. Switch. And hold. Good. You should feel this. I do. So this is just a little introduction to the veil. So I hope you enjoy. Keep those arms working, and I'll see you to the next video. And much love here. Bye-bye.